still there.
It is like twice as big as before. Look how far out it sticks. It's like almost 2 inches wide in some spots.
Holy shit.
Yeah,
It's getting bigger.
don't touch it. It might blow up.
Yeah.
So I gotta buy new tires for this.
Yeah, I wouldn't even try that. It's
No,
getting
well
worse.
these tires are probably like 20 years old, even though they got good tread.
What size is it? Can you get just one tire?
Probably. But the other ones are just as old, so I don't know how much we can trust them to drive on. Let's see. Where's the size? 31x 10.5 R15.
Yeah, 31 is the height. 10.5 is the width.
Yep.
And the other one is 15, right?
It's the rim size.
Yeah.
So I'll have to go shopping. There's a place in Tiffin we can get tires from, right?
Yeah, Circle H, he died. Mick died.
That is pretty crazy how far out that sticks. The other tires are still
bigger.
fine though, right? Yeah. Yeah, that one's fine. Yeah, it used to be just a small bubble. Now it's the whole, it's like half the tire now.
It's just leaving, keep deteriorating.
I told Lee to poke it.
Yeah.
Because the other tires are fine, I believe.
Look under the hood.
No, I haven't yet. Looks okay. No creatures living in the back. You can't see.